Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your GoFundMe account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. Now in order to delete your GoFundMe account, you'll have to log in from the web browser. So open your web browser. Now as you open your web browser, in the search box type in www.gofundme.com. Now on the other page, you will land inside the official site, and in the upper right corner you can see try bar icon. Tap on it. Right at the bottom you can see sign in option, so tap on it. So next you'll have to sign in, so then enter your email address and the password that is linked with your GoFundMe account. Now once you're done entering your information, tap on sign in to GoFundMe, which is right at the bottom. So once you're logged in the upper right corner you can see try bar icon, so once again tap on it. Now as you tap on the try bar icon, on the other page you will land inside the profile page, and under your username you can see account settings. On the second step you'll have to tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside your account information, and there you have all your information. So on this following page, scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom there you can see a statement, and under statement there is delete account. Now it says that once you delete your GoFundMe account, you'll not be able to log in with this account, which means that your account will be permanently deleted. Now in case you have made up your mind, so tap on delete account in the lower left corner. Now on the other page, once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then scroll down, and right at the bottom once again there you have delete my account, so you'll have to tap on it. So here as you can see that I'm logged out, which means that my account has been deleted. Now that is how you can delete your GoFundMe account on your device. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.